Welcome to day 22 of Road to Recovery 365. Today, let's talk about perseverance and the incredible journey you're on. Perseverance isn't just about pushing through tough times. It's about maintaining your course even when the path gets rocky. Each day you stay committed to this journey is a testament to your strength. It's normal to face hurdles, to feel like you're not making fast progress, but remember, recovery is a marathon, not a sprint. Every step, no matter how small, is moving you forward. Think about the small victories you've had, the moments where you chose to stay strong. These are the building blocks of your recovery. They're proof that you can and will persevere. Today, I want you to give yourself credit for these victories. Acknowledge your effort and determination. It's these qualities that will carry you through to the end of this journey and beyond. And if today feels challenging, take a moment to reflect on why you started. Hold on to that reason. Let it be your guide and your motivation. You are capable, you are resilient, and you are valued.